Ethereum just turned 10 years old, and I am excited to tell you why this moment really matters. From a simple idea to a global blockchain platform, Ethereum has completely changed what crypto can be. The story begins in 2013 with a 19-year-old Vitalik Buterin. He was already a co-founder of Bitcoin magazine and deeply involved in the early crypto world. His vision was clear. Ethereum would be more than digital money. It would be a blockchain that could run smart contracts and decentralized applications. At first, Ethereum was almost built on top of Bitcoin. When that idea was rejected due to technical limits, Vitalik decided to build an entirely new blockchain from scratch. In 2014, Ethereum raised funding by selling ETH for Bitcoin and gathered enough support to officially launch in 2015. Ethereum journey has not been easy. It survived the DAO hack and a major hard fork. It pushed through periods of extremely high gas fees and constant competition from newer chains. Yet it keeps evolving. As many developers say, Ethereum refuses to die. One of its biggest milestones came in 2022 with the merge. Ethereum moved from proof of work to proof of stake and reduced its energy usage by about 99%. Many called it one of the most complex upgrades ever done on a live blockchain. Looking ahead, the focus is on scaling and usability. New upgrades aim to make Ethereum faster, cheaper, and more seamless, especially across Layer 2 networks. The long-term goal is simple. Users should not feel the complexity behind the technology. Institutions are already moving in. Ethereum-based investment products have attracted billions, and major financial firms are tokenizing real-world assets on the network. Many believe Ethereum could become the settlement layer of the future global economy. The next decade is about adoption and real-world use. If you want to be part of Ethereum next chapter, you can start today. Sign up on BTCC, one of the world's most secure and longest-running crypto exchanges, and start trading Ethereum with low fees today.